I'm trying to get my feet under me in the kitchen. I'm trying to do a little cooking. Like I said, this diet's got me. We're having to learn how to do new stuff. We done come across a keto recipe for zucchini spears, baked Parmesan zucchini spears. And so we're going to obviously, everything we do in the house pretty much is with the bow knife. Very seldom do we use any other knife but this, because it's just the most easiest knife to use. It's comfortable on your hands, your shoulder, and everything. But all right, so you use zucchini, you're going to take it to be able to spear it up pretty easy. Obviously, you want to cut your end off of it so it gets you a flat spot. And then we're going to cut the other end off of it, get rid of the root. Then you just stand it up like this. And with this knife, like I said, it's not a matter of a lot of power. You just press straight down and it slides through so easy that there's just no fighting to the knife. So now it's just nice zucchini spears. And we're going to be using Pampered Chef, which you can tell we do a lot of cooking with this Pampered Chef stoneware, which is one of the best things you'll ever buy for baking in. But we're going to be putting our zucchini spears on here. And I've already cut these two pieces real quick just for speed. We'll go ahead and spear these up. And the thing with this knife too, so you can actually run it and change the direction of the blade as you go to try and keep it a little bit straighter and smoother spears and things like that. So just push straight down, just like that. Just get it started, hold your zucchini and then just press. Because on these things, it just really slides through. But there again, it's not, a lot of people use when they lay their zucchinis down, they cut them laying down. But with this thing, because the knife is designed for people that don't have a lot of strength, when you do it this way, it just takes no strength to do it. So, and we got some steaks laying back here too. We grilled some Dale soft steaks. Pretty good stuff. We ain't done that in a while. All right, so you olive oil. We're going to douse them up here pretty good.
That's enough. Mix all
That's
that.
good, because that's about all olive oil there is in there. You set me off onto a cause with no oil. So rub them down, get that oil moved around on them. But I like trying these new recipes. That's spicy southern cabbage we ate last night. Pretty good stuff. We'll do that again for sure. I guess we'll start out with putting our pepper on. Well, oh no, I'm about to whoop my wife. She gave me
It's a brand new one.
brand new thing and did not bother to open it for me. I was like, thought I'd really got weak. We'll just put us a little bit of pepper on. We like everything with a little bit of spice for some reason. About everything we eat, we like onions, garlic, and pepper. Then we're going to do some kosher salt. I guess we're out of Himalayan salt to use. Boy, that stuff don't come out too good.
It's a no.
There's enough salt?
Yeah.
Then we're going to put some Italian seasoning on these things. Watch me mess up and put too much of this on. We're going to do this like this. I'm not the normal cook. Cassie's the one who does all the cooking around here most of the time. I just wind up cutting. But we'll get this figured out.
Yeah, we're gonna change roles, babe.
Oh. Okay.
You're gonna be the cook.
That means you're gonna go to the shop and start welding?
Alright, and so
Alright, so now I guess
it needs to be 400 degrees actually. We forgot to turn the oven on, didn't we?
we forgot to turn the oven on. you're supposed to have me ready, even though I'm doing this. You're supposed to have everything ready for me. I'm a guy. I got to have it ready.
Okay. So,
All right. So, anyways, 400 degrees. So we're gonna put some Parmesan on it, and a little bit too. We're gonna let them before it's about halfway through baking. We'll pour Parmesan all over the top of them, let them crust up and get a little brown to them. But we'll come back and show you the results later on. Y'all have a good night and stay foxy.